Meet the aardvark, a nocturnal mammal native to Africa that's truly one of a kind. Armed with powerful claws, it's an expert digger, creating burrows that can be up to 10 meters long. Its long snout and super-sensitive nose help it sniff out one thing: ants and termites. This insectivore has a tongue that can reach up to 30 centimeters, perfect for slurping up thousands of ants in one night. Though it looks like a mix between a pig and a rabbit, it's actually in a class of its own, totally unrelated to either. By day, the aardvark sleeps in its burrow, but by night it's all about digging and eating. So next time you think of aardvarks, remember, they're nature's nighttime excavators, keeping ecosystems in balance one termite at a time.